Hello, my name is Philip from sourcinggrid.com. In this video, we will be discussing the topic of hard-to-find electronic components. Outdated or difficult-to-find components are often necessary for repairing or maintaining devices that have been in operation for years. Without reliable sources, inferior or even counterfeit electronic components may be used, which do not meet the required standards and can cause malfunctions or even damage. Therefore, it is important to find a trustworthy source for hard-to-find electronic components to ensure that they serve their purpose, and the devices function properly. But how do you find a trustworthy source? Supplier issues or market shortages can make certain electronic components very difficult to find. In some cases, it may even take months for certain electronic components to become available again. To solve these problems in the procurement of hard-to-source electronic components, it is important to work closely with suppliers and find alternative sources for the required components to ensure that production time is not affected. It is no secret that sourcing hard-to-find electronic components poses a challenge. However, if you are looking for a specific component, you should not limit your search to just one supplier. Therefore, expand your search to alternative suppliers and sources. Specialized service providers like SourcingGrid have access to a wide network of suppliers, enabling them to source hard-to-find electronic components faster and more efficiently. The service of a specialized company often includes accompanying the verification of the quality and authenticity of the delivered components. By collaborating with a professional service provider such as SourcingGrid, companies can focus on their core business and do not have to deal with the complex procurement process of hard-to-find electronic components. This not only offers higher availability of difficult-to-source components but also relieves the burden of the purchasing process. From faster availability to greater flexibility and quality assurance, by utilizing a professional service provider like SourcingGrid, companies can optimize their procurement processes and save time and costs. Would you like to know what this means for your company in plain language? Then visit the website www.sourcinggrid.com. We speak German, English, and Dutch. We have on-site presence in Singapore, China, Indonesia, and Hong Kong. As specialized service providers for, among other things, hard-to-source electronic components, we have a broad network of suppliers and are capable of sourcing hard-to-find components quickly and efficiently. Various references from international clients are available. Thank you very much.